Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make corn soup. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, ensuring everything is prepped and ready to go. Then, we'll move into the cooking process, building layers of flavor step by step. Finally, we'll achieve that wonderful creamy texture by blending part of the soup, creating a comforting and delicious meal perfect for any occasion. Let's get cooking. For our delicious corn soup, you'll need about 4 cups of corn kernels, which can be fresh or frozen. Finely dice 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic to build our flavor base. Make sure you have 4 cups of your preferred broth, either chicken or vegetable. And for that luxurious, creamy finish, a half cup of heavy cream will be perfect. Having everything prepped makes cooking a breeze. Let's get cooking. Begin by sautéing your diced onion and garlic in 2 tablespoons of butter until softened. Next, add the corn and 4 cups of broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes. For that creamy texture, carefully blend 1/3 of the soup until smooth, then return it to the pot. Finally, stir in a half cup of heavy cream and season with salt and pepper to your liking. To finish your wonderful corn soup, a fresh garnish truly elevates the dish. Consider using chopped chives or cilantro for a burst of color and flavor. Serve your soup warm, perhaps alongside some crusty bread or your favorite crackers for dipping. Always taste and adjust the seasoning one last time before serving to ensure it's perfect. Enjoy every spoonful of your homemade, creamy corn soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.